Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. Welcome you to my YouTube channel Before Me means Before Mechanical. I am Bhupen and today we will see the modeling of nut and bolt with the help of Creo Parametric. So I have a pair of emmet nut bolt and washer and I have already measured its dimension with the help of vernier caliper. And its measured dimension are like this. So let us see how to model it in Creo Parametric. So first of all we will go on new part solid, uncheck this use default template, write here some name, say bolt and ok. We will select here the unit as solid part mmks and ok. Then we will go on top plane, we will extrude on this plane and then we will select sketch view, we will go on palette and from here we will select 6 sides hexagon, drag and drop it, then drag the center point of hexagon and bring it to the coordinate and then ok. We will delete this dimension and we will give it the dimension to the sides and we will give here the dimension as 12.76 mm and ok. And then we will extrude it up to 5.6 mm and ok. After that we will again go on extrude, we will select this plane, we will go on sketch view, we will create a circle from center and we will give it dimension as 7.9 mm and ok. After that we will give it a length of 30 mm and ok. Then we will go on chamfer, we will select this edge and give it a dimension of 0.5 mm and ok. After that we will go on front plane, we will sketch on this plane, we will go on sketch view and then we will take the reference of this surface and then create a line here. After that we will give a dimension from here as 1 mm and ok. After that we will go on helical sweep, we will select this line and this reference axis and we will make it from downward side and go on sketch. Then we will go on sketch view. Here we will create a line, we will give it a dimension of 0.5 mm and then we will create a line here from the center of this line and give it a dimension of 0.7 mm as measured earlier. We will connect these lines and then we will delete this line and ok. After that we will go on remove material, you can see here the threads are generated and then we will give it a pitch of 0.6 mm and then ok. At last we have to create a groove on the head of the bolt. For that we will go on right plane and we will go on revolve, we will do it sketch view, we will take the reference of this surface, create here a line and give it a dimensional angle dimension of 30 degree from here and then we will give here a center line and then ok. We will go on remove material and then ok, it's done. To give here a smooth finish, what we will do, we will go on extrude, we will select this surface and we will project the lines and ok. We will take it to negative direction and then remove material, and done. By this the molding of our bolt is completed. If you want, we can give here some material. We will go on file, prepare, model properties, and we will go on material. We will go on standard material, ferrous material, and we will select stainless steel ferritic. Double click on it and then OK. We can also give the mass properties. Just calculate it and OK. Close. Ctrl S for save. Now for molding the nut, we will go on file, new, same part solid, uncheck this use report template, and on the file name we will give here nut and OK. We will again select here the unit as solid part mmks and OK. After that we will go on top plane, extrude on this plane, sketch view, we will go on palette, we will select the 6 sides hexagon, drag and drop it and drag it from the center and bring it to the origin and then OK. Here we will delete this dimension and we will give the dimension to these two sides, and the dimension we will give here is 12.86 and then enter. Here we will create a circle from the center and we will give it dimension also 6.5 mm and OK. Then we will extrude it from mid plane and give here dimension as 6 mm and then OK. After that we have to create the thread. So for that we will go on front plane and we will sketch on this plane, then sketch view, and then we will take the reference of this surface. We will make a line here and then OK. After that we will go on helical sweep, select this sketch, select this center axis and reverse this arrow, and then we will go on sketch. We will select here the dimension, create a line and give it dimension as 0.5 and we will again create a line from the center and give it dimension as 0.7 mm. We will connect these lines. We will delete this line and then OK. Here also we will give it the pitch as 0.6 mm and then remove material. After that we will select OK. Also we have to give here some chamfer. So what we will do, we will go on chamfer, select this edge and again select this second edge and OK, and bring this again down. At last we have to give here some groove. For that what we will do, we will go on right plane, we will revolve on this plane, we will go on sketch view, we will take the reference of this surface and this surface. We will create a line here and give it a dimension of 60 mm. We will create here a center line and then OK. And in the reverse direction we will give it a remove material and then OK. We can also give it some material. We will go on file, prepare, model properties, and in material we will go on change, standard material, ferrous metals, and we will select here stainless steel ferrite and OK. Then we will go on file and save it also. At last we have to create the washer. For that again we will go on file, new, uncheck this use default template. Here we will give the name as washer and OK. Here again we will select the unit as MMS part solid and OK. We will go on top plane, we will go on extrude, sketch view, and then we will create two circles here, give it a dimension of 17 mm and we will give it a dimension of 8 mm and then OK. We will extrude it from mid plane and we will give it a dimension of 0.7 mm as measured and then OK. Then Control S, save. OK. So by this we have completed with our model. So I hope you enjoyed this video. See you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and thanks for watching.